just got dropped off at a park, but typically I'm not a big fan of parks, so this one must be special, huh? We are in the very famous and significant Jose Rizal Park. Wow, I didn't know it would be this lively in here. I thought it was just going to be like an open-faced park with like grass or something. But it seems very lively. And there is a few things in here that we need to see. So we're going to come around and just look at some things, because there's some cool monuments here for Jose Rizal. And if you don't know Jose Rizal, he is the national hero of the Philippines, who was martyred by the Spanish government in like 1896 or something. I always heard the name Rizal, Jose Rizal, so I didn't really know that much, but yeah, he is their national hero. Holy crap, it's a street food market. I did not expect this. Wow. Shit, okay, all right then. Wow. I really did not expect this. I thought this was gonna be a boring video of just me walking around a park. But look at this. Let's go in here for a second. Wow.
Once again, thank you po sa Lola Miling Sorbetas. Thank you for the sponsorship of the ice cream.
This is pretty awesome. You have shawarma, fruit. More shawarmas over here. Juices. All kinds of stuff here. What a park this is. This is probably my favorite park. I don't like parks at all, really. I mean, they're okay, but there's just not much to see. They're just kind of relaxing, you know? This is a crazy mix of both. I do have a specific item on the list for this park, and it's the site where Jose Rizal was martyred, and this absolutely breathtaking group of statues showing what happened. So yeah, it's pretty insane. I want to look at this. I think this is like the Rizal Monument, I think. I'm gonna look it up real fast. Uh-oh, we got a tourist. We got a tour guide right here. He's gonna accost me, watch. That's nice. He didn't accost me. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at this real fast. Yes, this is the Jose Rizal Monument right here. So yeah, wow, look at that Philippine flag right there. Wow. Wow, it's amazing. They even have a guard right there. This is a pretty secured spot. You can't even go up to it, really. Okay, all right then. All right. Look at that. So people hanging out, eating street food, people paying homage to Rizal himself, people just running. Like, I bet you people do this like every day. I bet if I lived around here and I wanted to like run around, you know, do like a daily workout or whatever, maybe like this guy doing the knee thing, maybe they like live around here and then it's like part of their daily routine, which would be amazing. So this next stop right here is this Chinese garden. Yeah, the Chinese garden. Oh, let's scan it. Let's scan it to see what happens. All right, let's go. Let's see if it loads. I love like China gates and stuff. I'm still surprised I haven't been to China proper yet. This park was, this garden was built in 1966. Pretty cool. Some other random little facts on it. Oh look, I think that's a bathroom, a public bathroom. Wow, this is very nice. I wish people would have made more videos on YouTube of Jose Rizal Park, because if I would have seen this, I would have been like, I gotta go there right away. I was kind of like, I guess I'll go. I just have to pay homage to Jose Rizal, you know what I mean? So, but now it's a little mix of everything, and paying homage to him, exploring a Chinese garden I didn't know existed. That's got a bunch of Chinese lanterns everywhere. Crazy. Wow. Loose buck. This is pretty damn cool. Wow. There's fishes in here too, like big old fishes. Oh yeah, there's a few of them in there. Okay. Let's see what else this little garden's got going on. Wow, there's like a lifted area over there. What does this say here? Filipino-Chinese Friendship Day. Gift of trees. There's a few things in the city, a handful of stuff where China and the Philippines kind of like, you know, like China like helped them out, and like they built a bridge, helped with this thing to build relations. Oh, look at that. That's pretty damn cool. And Jesus, look at this thing. Wow. Holy crap. Okay. All right then. All right then. Wow. I'm a big fan of these lanterns. Always. So whenever I'm in an area where I see them, I'm pretty happy. Say it ain't so. Temporarily closed re-greening is being undertaken. The reason why I'm upset is it looks just like a little, you know, patch of grass that they're working on, but back there is a goddamn banyan tree. My favorite of all the trees. Remember I first saw it in Hawaii and all over in Vietnam? It's pretty wild. I love those trees so much. Very serene in here. Now there's people having fun and doing their thing, but look at this. I can imagine you catch some. Wow, this is cool. It's like the tree is like enveloping this rock. Holy crap, look at this. That's pretty damn cool if you ask me. Maybe I'm weird, but that's just cool to me. But yeah, look at this. You can find a nice quiet spot back here. How cool is that? Huh. Alright, that was pretty cool. Saying goodbye to the Chinese garden. Goodbye. Alright then. Oh, we have a huge fountain over there. But what I'm looking for is the coup de grace. Not really happy thing. I'm looking for the spot where they martyred Jose Rizal. So it's around here. Oh, there it is. This isn't too fun here, but this is it. Execution place was marked upon the initiative of the Padre Burgos General Assembly. Okay. Wow. It's pretty powerful. What's amazing about Jose Rizal, he was like a writer, nationalist, he was like a politician as well during like the colonial times and stuff. And I don't think the Spanish government liked that too much, you know, and he was causing a little bit of, like, you know, Philippine nationalism and stuff. So what do you gotta do to stop uprising, huh? And so they decided to martyr him. Wow, this is powerful. I think he was it's like 1896 or something when they killed him. And the Philippine Revolution also happened to start in 1896. So you can kind of see how important he is. Everybody always says national hero. He's the national hero. Oh wow. It's my last farewell. Well, it's a letter written from Jose Rizal, I imagine. Farewell to my adored land, region, sun-caressed pearl of the Orient Sea. Wow. Just that first line by itself is just amazing. Look at this here, what we got. Imagine we have some statues depicting some of the things that were happening back in the day right here. There is one statue that I need to see. It's probably the most powerful statue I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. How powerful is this? This is the Spanish government killing Jose Rizal. An actual statue of all of the soldiers and Jose himself. Even his hat. Wow. Yeah, Dr. Jose Rizal. So this basically started the Philippine Revolution here. This moment right here started it all. What a powerful statue. Oh my god, look, it's like a little amphitheater type thing. There's still more stuff here too. You can't go over there, but it's like probably like the phases of his life. He's over here like in a court saying something. He's talking to people over there, maybe standing with his wife there or something. Wow, this is fascinating. I can't get enough of that. I really can't. I've never quite seen statues like this before. It's like a whole mess of statues. And the Spanish with their funny hats. You can totally tell. Wow. And the guy over there saying, shoot, you mean? Wow. Wish I could zoom in, but I have always wanted to see this. So yeah, Jose Rizal, martyred by the Spanish government, 1896, started the Philippine Revolution. Philippine eventually becomes independent. Thanks, Jose. All right, I was gonna end the video, but I forgot about this little market over here, so I want to explore a little bit more on my way out of Rizal Park here. Now let's see what we got. I'm gonna go into this area right here. We're just in that one where they're playing music. Let's go over here now and see what we got. I may get like a juice or something. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna get. We have juices, pork sisig with rice. I had that last night. Hella good. Hella good. That was pretty good. I'm trying to see what else I would get. lumpia. What,
Yes.
can I have, how much for one?
One, 20.
20?
3 for 50.
So 2, 3. Amazing. I want to try lumpia since I got here. About 100. Is there stuff I should put on this? That one? Okay. Salamat. Oh. Oh, it's gonna go in there. Okay, cool, yes. And is there a spicy one?
No.
No, just cool? Perfect. I like it. Maybe on top. Thank you.
Our stage is still open.
Thank you.
Salamat po. All right. Oh, gonna spill it. Gonna spill it. I'm gonna spill it. I'm gonna spill it. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. All right. Let's get this little iced tea thing. Kamusta? Can I get the cucumber? Yes, cucumber lemonade, green. All right, to pay for this, I think it's 20 peso. Wow, that's good. Salamat po. All right, let's go. We got a little snack right here. So we got cucumber lemonade, this dip, and lumpia. So the lumpia I always grew up knowing about were these little small pieces. These are like ginormous egg roll type deals. So I'm gonna try this out for the first time since I've been here, actually. Just look at the straight up vibe of this place. This probably happens every day like this, which for me is just, that's overwhelming. Like, that's literally so cool.